rolling back. We had both of them rolling back. Ignition start. Starting the APU. My aircraft. Your aircraft. Get at the QRH.
Priority left.
Lots of thrust on both engines.
This is Cactus 1539. Hit birds to lost thrust on both engines, returning back towards LaGuardia.
Okay, you need to return to LaGuardia. Turn left heading up 220.
220.
If you remain in engine mode, select your ignition. Ignition?
Ignition.
Thrust levers, confirm, idle.
Idle.
Airspeed, optimum relay 300 knots. We don't have that.
No, we don't.
Cactus 1529. If we can get it for you, do you want to try to land 1013?
We're unable. We may end up in the Hudson.
Emergency electrical power, emergency generator not online.
Online.
ATC notified Squawk 7700. Distress message transmit, we did that.
Hi, Cactus 1549. It's going to be left traffic to runway 31.
Unable.
Okay, what do you need to land?
Wind shear. Back one off, then on.
Cactus 1549. Runway 4 is available if you want to make left traffic to runway 4.
Idiot,
I'm not sure we can make any runway. What's over to our right? Anything in New Jersey, maybe Teterboro?
Okay, yeah, off your right side is Teterboro Airport. Do you want to try to go to Teterboro?
Yes.
Obstacle. Full up.
Clear of conflict.
No reload after 30 seconds in your master 1 and 2, confirm off.
Off.
Wait 30 seconds.
Cactus 1529, turn right 280. You can land runway 1 at Teterboro.
We can't do it.
Okay, which runway would you like at Teterboro?
We're going to be in the Hudson.
I'm sorry, say again, Cactus?
Too low. Terrain.
Let's put the flaps out. Put the flaps out.
Flaps out.
Cactus 1549, radar contact is lost. You also got Newark Airport up at 2 o'clock in about 7 miles. Eagle 5 4718, turn left heading 210.
210, 4718. I think he said he was going in the Hudson.
Cactus 1529, Houston.
Terrain. Full up.
Cactus 1529, if you can, you got runway 29 available at Newark, up at 2.